Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this look in a series of 3 parts this week from my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. So to start off, I've primed my eyelids with my concealer, but I have not set it down. Then for this look I've also put down some tape to make it nice and easy for me, and then for the transition I am taking the shade Transition and running that through my crease. Then to start defining the crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Are You Kidding Me? And I love the shade because it's like a nice caramel brown. I've never really seen it before, but I love it and it's perfect for this look. Then I'm going to go in with Brownie Points, which is a slightly darker shade. And I'm going to go take this on the outer half of my lid and then also through the crease. Then without taking any extra product, I'm just going to go back in and blend all that together so it looks nice and seamless. Then for the very outer corner, I'm taking Teddy Bear, which is the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm just really buffing that into the outer half of my lid and also a little bit through the crease. Then I'm going to cut half of the crease out. I'm not going to cut where we put all the teddy bear shade, and you will see why in a second. So this is what it looks like. I didn't set it down. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Cool Beans, which is this really nice kind of like muted gold brown shade. I don't really know how to describe it, but it is really nice and it worked so well with this. So because the shade is super powdery, I can then go back in with just the same brush I used for Teddy Bear and just kind of blend it out and dust it off a little bit to make it a bit more seamless. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Crystal, and I'm just taking this on my pinky finger and just putting that in my inner corner. Then I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in the shade Black, and I'm just going to be doing a little wing. Then after this, I put Are You Kidding Me and Teddy Bear on my lower lash line, just kind of repeating it, and put some falsies on as well as some mascara, and that is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please excuse these specks of mascara, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.